So look, when this episode drop, it's gonna be like this episode actually gonna drop in December. It's gonna be the middle of December, holiday time. Fire. You know what I'm saying? Fire. It's time for us to eat good now.
Facts.
So listen, I've been asking this question to a couple cousins. Mm-hmm. Holiday time, we ready to eat. We at the table. We looking for this meal. Who is that person? I'm gonna say that meal you is not expected to eat, or that dish you do not want to see this year at holiday time. Cause you know we always got that one family member like, baby, you cannot eat, cousin. But thank you for this dish. But we ain't eating this shit.
Damn, I don't know. Cause I would say those individuals are all in New York, so I don't think I'm going out there for Thanksgiving.
No, but what's that one dish you don't want it? You don't. If they was to all come down here,
so
dish?
Somebody's stuffing. I ain't gonna point them out. They know who they are. They're stuffing, bro. Like, I don't even like stuffing. The only time I ever ate stuffing is if it was like really good. You know what I'm saying? Like certain people could do their thing, so it's like I stayed away from it. But bro, you set me up. Like that's what I'm saying.
What you don't like about this stuffing? Is it the texture or like the seasoning?
It's like you talking about it. I taste it like that shit crazy.
Well, what's the taste you looking for when it comes to your stuffing? Let's do that.
Shit, it gotta have some sort of moisture to it, a little bit, like something.
Not none of that dry shit, a little moisture. Okay.
You ever accidentally eat like cardboard on just biting something?
Ooh, it tastes like accidental cardboard.
Yeah, just like box, like. Just,
Right.